Chapter 14 is jurisdiction of the criminal courts in inquiries and trials. इंक्वायरी और ट्रायल में चैप्टर 14 का क्या जुरिस्डिक्शन है? इसमें सेक्शन है 197 से 209, 197 से 209 of the BNSS. पहला क्वेश्चन है विच चैप्टर ऑफ द BNSS contains provisions jurisdiction of the criminal court in inquiries and trial. Chapter 14. Question number 2. Which section of the BNSS lays down that every offence shall ordinarily be inquired and tried by the courts within whose local jurisdiction offence was committed? 197 में कहता है कि जिसके लोकल जुरिस्डिक्शन में ऑफेंस कमिट हुआ है, अपराध हुआ है, वहीं पे उसका इंक्वायरी या ट्रायल होगा. जनरल प्रोविजन है. ऑर्डिनरी प्लेस ऑफ ट्रायल जो होगा वो कहाँ होगा? जहां ऑफेंस, वेयर द ऑफेंस हैज बीन कमिटेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ए माइनर गर्ल lived with her father at Indore. She became intimate with the accused and ran away with the accused from Indore to Bhopal in taxi. For some time, they eventually settled in Mumbai. An offense of kidnapping may be tried. कहाँ पे होगा? इंदौर में भी हो सकता है, भोपाल में भी हो सकता है, मुंबई में भी हो सकता है. एनी प्लेस, मतलब प्लेस ऑफ ऑकरेंस, जैसे यहाँ से यहाँ, तो हर जगह जहां जहां से वो पास किया वहां वहां वो हो सकता है ट्रायल उस कोर्ट का. हर जगह वो हो सकता है जहां पर कोर्ट होगा. Which section of the BNSS deals with the jurisdiction of court where the offence is done is one place and consequence arises at another place? Section 119 में jurisdiction of the court जो है, ऑफेंस यहाँ किया गया और उसका जो कॉन्सिक्वेंस है वो यहाँ अराइज हुआ, वे सेक्शन 199 में बोल रहा है. Which section of the BNSS deals with the jurisdiction of the court in case where an act is an offence by reason of relation to another offence? Section 200. Question number 7. For trial of a case of criminal abatement, which court is only the competent court? Criminal abatement के लिए which court is competent court? कौन सा court competent court है? Local limits of the court where the abatement was committed. जहाँ abatement commit किया गया है वही जो है उसका competent court है. With regard to the place of inquiry, trial, which of the following statement is false? Where it consists of several acts done in different local areas, it may be inquired into or tried by a court having jurisdiction over the local area in which first of such act was committed. ये false है. X kidnapped 9. Question number. X kidnapped Y from city P and kept Y at city M and was detected there. Where is the offence triable? Either city P or either city M. X kidnapped Y from city P and kept Y at city M. मतलब P को Y को किडनैप किया और P शहर से किडनैप किया और M में रह रहा है, तो दोनों में से कहीं भी ट्रायल इसका किया जा सकता है. Question number 10. An offence of the theft can be tried by a court under whose jurisdiction? Any of the above. The theft has been committed जहाँ पे theft किया गया है, जहाँ पे stolen property possession में thief के द्वारा पाया गया है. The stolen property is kept by the accused knowing it to be stolen. अगर वो किसी को दिया गया है और उसके यहाँ पाया गया है तो वहां पे भी कमिट हो सकता है, वहां पे भी ट्रायल हो सकता है. फॉर एन ऑफेंस ऑफ बाइगमी, द प्लेस ऑफ इंक्वायरी और ट्रायल में भी ऑल द बाइगमी, अगर दो शादी कर लेते तो उसका ट्रायल कहाँ होगा? ओनली वेयर द ऑफेंस वाज कमिटेड, वहां जो ऑफेंस कमिट किया हो गया, ओनली वेयर द ऑफेंडर रिसाइडल लास्ट विथ हिज फर्स्ट वाइफ, लास्ट वो रिसाइड किया गया था जहां फर्स्ट वाइफ के साथ लास्ट रिसाइडेड. The court's jurisdiction where the permanent residence of the aggrieved woman, जहाँ women का permanent residence है after the offence is situated, कहीं भी हो सकता है. Which section of the BNSS deals with the jurisdiction of the court in case where offence are committed by means of electronic communication? Section 202. Section 203 of the BNSS does not apply to the voyage on high seas. Which section of the BNSS empowers the state government to direct that any case or classes of cases committed for trial in any district may be tried in any session division? Section 205. When there is a dispute between two courts relating to exercise of jurisdiction in criminal matter and said courts are under subordination of the High Court, the matter shall be decided under Section 206 of the BNSS by High Court within whose jurisdiction area the proceeding first commence. जब दो कोर्ट आपस में जुरिस्डिक्शन के लिए लड़ रहे हो तो एक ही कोर्ट के अंदर में आते हैं तो उस कोर्ट को द्वारा डिसाइड किया जाएगा अंडर सीआरपीसी जहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्रोसीडिंग स्टार्ट हुआ है वहीं पे होगा अंडर सीआरपीसी where two or more courts have taken cognizance of the same offense and question arises as to which of them ought to try that offense, the question shall be decided by. अगर एक ही केस में दो कोर्ट जो है कॉग्निजेंस ले लिया है तो उसको कौन सही माना जाएगा? इसका हो जाएगा बी, 2 and 3 द्वारा डिसाइड किया जाएगा. 2 and 3 क्या है? If the court are subordinate to same high court, then by that high court. If the courts are not subordinate to the same high court, by the high court within the local limits of whose appellate criminal jurisdiction the proceeding were first. जहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्रोसीडिंग स्टार्ट हो गया होगा उस हाई कोर्ट द्वारा किया जाएगा जहाँ पे फर्स्ट प्रोसीडिंग स्टार्ट हो गया होगा. Question number 17. Under which section of the BNSS the power to issue summons or warrants for offences committed beyond local jurisdiction is given? Section 207. Under which section of the BNSS the jurisdiction of the criminal court have given for offences committed outside India? Section 208. Offences committed outside India. Section 208. An offence is committed by a British citizen on an aircraft registered in India. The offender may be dealt with under which provision of the BNSS? Section 208. According to Section 208, where the offence is committed outside India, the offender may dealt with the aspect of such offences as if it has been committed at any place within India at which he may found, where the offence is registered in India. A who is a citizen of India commits murder in Uganda. He arrested in Delhi. He can be tried and convicted of murder in Delhi. अगर वो कोई यहाँ का सिटीजन है युगांडा कोई दूसरे में देश जाके मर्डर कर दिया तो उसको जो है 302 में यहाँ पे ट्रायल चलेगा. An Indian citizen murders an Australian citizen in Sydney and absconded. He is found by Indian police in Mumbai. He, with previous sanction of the central government, can be executed in Mumbai only. An offence is committed outside India by a citizen of India. Such offence shall be inquired or tried in India with the previous sanction of central government. With which section provides for the provision related to receipt of evidence relating to offence committed outside India? Section 209. Which section provides for the provisions relating to receipt of evidence? Section 209.